Hi everyone, and welcome to Car Project Central. So today this is our first video and our very first project car together, and I'm going to take you through some of the little issues that this car has and what we're going to do. Hopefully we'll fix this car up and it'll be good, like as good as new. So the very first problem that we can see is the grille. So the grille surround is missing, so we'll need to get a new one. The second problem you might notice already is the bonnet has some slight denting. That will probably need to go to a panel beater because we can't really do that ourselves. And I'm just going to walk around the car and show you some of the other little minor issues. We're hoping that this project will take about a month to complete. The body is actually pretty straight, so that's one really good thing about this car. It's a 2007, so it doesn't have a CVT transmission. It has a normal 6-speed. Automatic, and as you can see, one of the tail lights is broken. It's a bit of a shame because it's only the outer lens that's broken, but it means that we'll have to probably replace the whole tail light. And then you can see the window wiper, for some reason, is also rusted, and so we probably need to replace that as well. The front tires are both pretty bald, so I'm not sure, they probably won't pass the next round of fitness, so we'll need to change those as well. And there's some engine oil leaks in the engine as well, which I won't show you now, but just take my word for it. On the interior, it actually looks pretty clean. It looks pretty nice on the interior. Pretty typical sort of mini setup where you have the tack right in the middle of your dash, and your speedo, I should say, speedo right in the middle of the dash, and then your tack right in the middle of the steering wheel. It does have paddle shifters, which I haven't actually seen before in the Mini, so yeah, that's pretty interesting. The way that you turn it on is that you put the key in here, just like a BMW, like that, and that enables you to turn the car on. There's a few little issues at the moment. So one of them is the airbag light is currently on. We haven't scanned it yet, so we don't really know what's going on there. Hopefully that's just a minor electrical fix. And also the seatbelt light is on the inside. There is an engine light that comes on when you start the car as well, probably due to the oil issues. And we think the seatbelt light is on just due to the seatbelt being broken, the buckle being broken. So that's about it. It's not too bad. Like I said, we'll be making quite a few videos over the next month or so, just to show you how to resolve and fix some of these little issues on your 2007 Mini. So stay tuned and see you soon.